Hindi ko inaasahan iyon. I am not expecting that. Maaari mo bang ulitin iyon? Can you repeat that? Dapat alam mo iyon. You should know that. Hindi ako makapaniwala doon. I can't believe that. Huwag mong kalimutan iyon. Don't forget that. Seryoso ako dyan. I really mean that. Bakit mo nasabi iyon? Why did you say that? Hinding-hindi ko gagawin iyon. I would never ever do that. Pag-iisipan ko muna iyan. I will think about that. Ako ang bahala dyan. I will handle that. Walang humingi niyan. Nobody asks for that. Hindi mo naiintindihan iyon. You don't understand that. Huwag na nating pagtalunan iyan. Let's not argue with that. Susubukan kong ayusin iyon. I'll try to fix that. Hindi ko tatanggapin iyon. I won't accept that. Maaring pagsisihan mo iyan. You might regret that. Maaasahan mo iyon. You can count on that. Mas malaki pa dyan. It's bigger than that. Tatandaan ko iyan. I will remember that. Huwag mong alalahanin yon. Don't worry about that. Nagtataka ako tungkol dyan. I'm curious about that. Nasabi mo na iyon. You already said that. Bakit mo ginawa iyon? Why did you do that? Walang duda dyan. No doubt about that. Hindi ako sigurado dyan. I'm not sure about that. Hindi ko masasagot yan. I can't answer that. Dapat mong isaalang-alang iyon. You should consider that. Hindi ko maiwasang isipin iyon. I can't stop thinking about that. Hindi mo maitatanggi iyon. You can't deny that. Sigurado ako dyan. I'm sure about that. Di ko inaasahang sasabihin mo iyon. I didn't expect you would say that. Nagpapasalamat ako para dyan. I'm thankful for that. Kailangan mong baguhin iyon. You need to change that. Susuriin ko iyon. I'll look into that. Huwag mong madaliin iyon. You shouldn't rush that. Ayaw ko nang ulitin iyon. I don't want to repeat that. Hindi ka karapat-dapat dyan. You don't deserve that. Hindi ko hiningi iyon. I didn't ask for that. Hindi ko pa narinig iyon. I've never heard of that. Hindi ko papayagan iyon. I will not allow that. Kailangan nating pag-usapan iyon. We need to talk about that. Hindi mo nabanggit iyon. You didn't mention that. Huwag mong baliwalain iyon. You should not ignore that. Hindi ko napansin iyon. I didn't notice that. Hindi ko tatanggapin iyon. I will not accept that. Tigilan mo na yan. You should stop that. Hindi ko narinig iyon. I didn't hear that. Naaalala ko pa rin iyon. I still remember that. Iwasan mo iyan. You should avoid that. Dapat mong linawin iyon. You should clarify that. Napag-usapan na natin iyan. We already settled that. Tulungan na kita dyan. Let me help you with that. Ayaw kong marinig iyan. I don't want to hear that. Maiintindihan mo rin iyan. You will understand that. Kailangan mong gawin iyan. You need to do that. Pagsisisihan mo iyan. You will regret that. Natutuwa akong marinig iyan. I'm glad to hear that. Naaalala mo iyon? Do you remember that? Isulat mo iyan. Write it down.